Welcome to Norway, a land of stunning natural beauty and breathtaking landscapes. From its towering fjords to its shimmering glaciers, this Nordic nation offers a feast for the eyes. Join me on a cinematic journey through incredible tourist destinations and natural wonders. Traverse rugged mountains, sail tranquil waters, and witness the aurora borealis. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed by Norway's captivating beauty and endless adventure. Norway's fjords are colossal valleys carved by glaciers over millennia. These deep blue inlets flanked by towering cliffs and verdant slopes captivate travelers. Imagine sailing through these serene waterways with only the gentle lapping of water and distant cries of seabirds. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and salt spray. As you glide deeper, cliffs close in, adorned with cascading waterfalls. These waterfalls, from trickles to torrents, remind us of the dynamic forces shaping this landscape. Fjords are vital waterways for transportation, fishing, and tourism. People live in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the tides. The fjord's waters act as mirrors, reflecting the sky with startling clarity. On clear days, the surface shimmers, a canvas for clouds. At sunrise and sunset, the fjords are magical. The sky erupts in color, casting shadows and a warm glow. As darkness falls, stars twinkle against the night sky. Silence is broken by a fish splash or an owl's call. Standing at a fjord's edge brings profound peace. Few natural phenomena are as captivating as the aurora borealis, or northern lights. This celestial ballet of light and color has captivated skywatchers for centuries. Imagine standing beneath a clear, dark sky, far from city lights. Suddenly, a faint glow appears on the horizon. The glow intensifies, transforming into shimmering curtains of light. These lights result from charged particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere. The particles release energy as light, creating the aurora. The colors vary depending on altitude and gas particles. Green is produced by oxygen at lower altitudes, while red and blue hues are created higher up. The aurora borealis is a dynamic and ever-changing phenomenon. The lights twist, turn, and pulsate, forming shimmering curtains and swirling spirals. This celestial dance can last for minutes or hours, its intensity waxing and waning. One moment the lights are a faint glimmer, the next a dazzling crescendo of color. Witnessing the aurora borealis evokes a profound sense of wonder and awe. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the incredible forces at work. As the lights fade, you are left with an indelible memory of the magic above. Here in the Norwegian Sea, scattered like emeralds across the deep blue, lie the Lofoten Islands, a land sculpted by ice and wind where jagged peaks pierce the sky, their reflections shimmering in the clear waters below. For centuries, these islands have braved the fury of the North Atlantic, their granite cliffs standing firm against the relentless waves. Yet, amidst this rugged grandeur, life finds a way. Seabirds cling to precarious ledges, their calls echoing across the vastness. Below, in sheltered inlets, lie picturesque fishing villages, their brightly colored houses a stark contrast to the surrounding wilderness. These resilient communities have long depended on the bounty of the sea, their lives inextricably linked to the ebb and flow of the tides. The Vikings, intrepid seafarers, settled these shores for rich fishing grounds and adventure. Their legacy is etched into the landscape, from ancient burial mounds to sturdy wooden boats. In Borg, a chieftain's longhouse offers a glimpse into their world. This structure speaks volumes of the Vikings' ingenuity and connection to the sea. Today the Viking spirit lives on in the hearts of Lofoten Islanders. Their resilience, respect for nature, and sense of community endure in challenging environments. From Norway's heights, a symphony of water and rock unfolds. Glacial melt feeds countless waterfalls, cascading down sheer cliffs. Voringsfossen reigns supreme. Plunging 630 feet, it is raw, unbridled power. The mist catches sunlight, painting fleeting rainbows. Standing at the edge, one feels awe at nature's force. Yet, for all their power, these waterfalls are not merely forces of destruction. They are also lifeblood, their waters nourishing the surrounding forests and providing a vital habitat for a myriad of species. Dippers, with their distinctive bobbing gait, patrol the rocky rapids at the base of the falls, searching for insect larvae. High above, peregrine falcons, masters of the air, nest on inaccessible ledges, their keen eyesight scanning the skies for unsuspecting prey. These creatures, perfectly adapted to their environment, remind us of the delicate balance that exists within these seemingly harsh landscapes. They are the guardians of the mountains, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythm of the waterfalls that define their world. Venturing beyond the towering peaks and dramatic fjords, we discover a different side to Norway's beauty. Here, rolling hills blanketed in emerald green stretch as far as the eye can see, punctuated by the shimmering blue of countless lakes. This is the Norwegian countryside, a tranquil landscape shaped by centuries of glacial activity. It is a place where time seems to move at a slower pace, a place where one can truly reconnect with the natural world. Winding roads meander through this picturesque landscape, offering glimpses of traditional wooden farmhouses, their red paint a splash of color against the verdant backdrop. These are homes that have stood for generations, their inhabitants living in harmony with the land, their lives dictated by the changing seasons. In the stillness of a summer evening, as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the fields, a sense of profound peace descends upon the countryside. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the distant tinkling of cowbells. Here, far from the hustle and bustle of modern life, one can truly appreciate the simple pleasures of existence. To breathe in the fresh air, to listen to the silence of nature, to witness the beauty of a sunset over an unspoiled landscape. This is the essence of the Norwegian countryside, a place where time seems to stand still, a place where the soul can find solace and the spirit can be rejuvenated. Our journey takes us now southwards, away from the icy north to the historic city of Bergen. Nestled amidst a tapestry of 7 mountains, Bergen stands as a testament to Norway's rich cultural heritage and enduring spirit. The heart of Bergen beats within its characteristic wooden houses, painted in a vibrant palette of colors that dance along the waterfront. These timber-frame structures, some dating back centuries, whisper tales of a bygone era, of merchants and artisans who once thrived within their walls. The scent of the sea, carried on the gentle breeze, mingles with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the salty tang of fish being unloaded at the bustling harbor. Here, the past and present intertwine, creating a unique atmosphere that is both nostalgic and invigorating. Bergen's spirit extends far beyond its picturesque architecture. This is a city alive with creativity, a cultural hub that has nurtured artists, musicians, and writers for generations. From the iconic fish market, a symphony of sights and sounds, to the cobblestone streets that wind their way through the city center, Bergen invites exploration and discovery. One can almost hear the echoes of Edvard Grieg's haunting melodies, a son of Bergen, carried on the wind. The spirit of innovation thrives here, evident in the city's thriving art scene and its dedication to sustainability. As we immerse ourselves in the warmth of Bergen's cultural tapestry, we begin to understand the enduring allure of this remarkable city. We venture to Norway's iconic Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock. This dramatic cliff rises nearly 2,000 feet above Lysefjord. Its flat plateau offers unparalleled views of the landscapes. It's as if the earth invites us to stand at the edge of the world. The ascent is challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Reaching the summit of Preikestolen is an unforgettable experience. The wind carries the scent of the sea and cries of seabirds. Gazing out at the fjord, one feels awe and humility. The world stretches out, a tapestry of mountains, forests, and water. Preikestolen is a pilgrimage for adventurers and nature lovers, a place to reconnect with the wildness within. Our journey now takes us north, far north, to the remote archipelago of Svalbard. Located deep within the Arctic Circle, Svalbard is a land of stark beauty, a realm of glaciers, ice flows, and midnight sun. Here, the sun barely dips below the horizon during the summer months, bathing the landscape in an ethereal, otherworldly glow. It's a land of extremes, where temperatures can plummet to bone-chilling lows during the long winter months. Yet, despite its harsh conditions, Svalbard teems with life. Polar bears, the undisputed kings of the Arctic, roam the ice floes, while walruses bask in the sun, their massive forms a testament to their resilience. Svalbard's pristine landscapes are a stark reminder of the fragility of our planet. Climate change is having a profound impact on this Arctic ecosystem, causing glaciers to retreat at an alarming rate and threatening the delicate balance of life that has existed here for millennia. Yet amidst these challenges, there is hope. Scientists from around the world are conducting vital research in Svalbard, working tirelessly to understand the impacts of climate change and to find ways to mitigate its effects. As we witness the raw beauty of Svalbard, we're reminded of the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems for generations to come. For in the fate of Svalbard, we may well glimpse the fate of our own planet. The Norwegian landscape, sculpted by colossal glaciers millennia ago, takes on a new persona in the depths of winter. The once vibrant emerald waters of the fjords now lie still, their surfaces transformed into a mirror of the sky above. Snow, a pristine blanket, drapes over the surrounding mountains, softening their rugged edges and turning them into ethereal giants. The air, crisp and invigorating, carries with it the scent of pine and the faint whisper of the wind. This is a time of tranquility, a period of rest for the land as nature prepares for the vibrant rebirth of spring. But even in this frozen embrace, life persists, finding a way to thrive in the face of adversity. High above the fjord, clinging to the seemingly barren cliffs, hardy mountain goats navigate the icy slopes with astonishing agility. Their thick winter coats provide insulation against the biting cold, a testament to nature's remarkable adaptations. Below, beneath the frozen surface of the fjord, marine life continues its ancient dance. Schools of herring, a vital food source for many creatures, seek out deeper, warmer waters, and lurking in the depths, the enigmatic Atlantic cod, a master of camouflage, patiently awaits its unsuspecting prey. Even in the heart of winter, the Norwegian fjords pulse with a subtle, hidden energy. It is a testament to the resilience of life, a reminder that even in the most challenging environments, nature finds a way to endure. On the western coast of Norway, nestled amidst a tapestry of islands and fjords, lies the remarkable town of Ålesund. Devastated by a fire in 1904, the town rose from the ashes, reborn in the architectural style of the era Art Nouveau. Buildings adorned with intricate details, swirling lines and organic forms line the streets, a testament to the town's resilience and artistic spirit. Towers capped with spires reach for the sky, while colorful facades reflect in the tranquil waters of the harbor. Ålesund stands as a living museum, a vibrant testament to a bygone era. Its streets invite exploration, promising hidden gems and architectural marvels around every corner. But Ålesund is more than just its architecture. Its location, nestled amidst a breathtaking archipelago, offers stunning views of the surrounding islands and the vast expanse of the Norwegian Sea. From the summit of Mount Oxla, reached by a series of 418 steps, visitors are treated to a panoramic vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. The town unfolds below, its colorful buildings resembling a child's toy set against the grandeur of the natural world. Ålesund is a tapestry woven from history, art, and nature. It is a place where the past and present seamlessly intertwine, creating an experience that is both captivating and unforgettable. From the towering fjords to the ethereal glow of the northern lights, from the charming fishing villages to the vibrant cities, Norway has revealed its breathtaking beauty. We've witnessed the power of nature, the resilience of life, and the enduring spirit of the Norwegian people. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through Norway. I hope you enjoyed exploring these breathtaking landscapes and tourist destinations as much as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the beauty of our world.